Hello, this is Carol with a short video to highlight basic functions of Primum. Primum is a web-based software to help you measure and manage your inpatient programs. Primum is built with functions to record each time a patient is seen and allows you to keep track of each encounter that a provider has with inpatients under the group care. In this video, we'll highlight the basic functions of Primum, starting with managing your patient list, adding patients, viewing your rounding list and adding encounters, and we'll finish up the video by showing you how to discharge your patients in Primum. This is your Primum homepage. At the top, it'll show your name, facility that you're logged in under, and if you click on the Preferences dropdown, you'll be able to access our knowledge base or send us an email for your inquiries. Watch for this red bell icon for any notifications for future upgrades to the software. On the left, we have 3 report widgets that represent the number of patients currently under your group's care. You can also click on this button to access a library of reports that are available to you in Primum. Moving to the center of the screen, we have the Patients panel, which helps you manage all your admitted patients, and the rounding list, which is where you'll see the patients assigned to you for a particular date of service. In the Patients panel, this calendar controls the date of service that you're working on in Primum. You can navigate through the different days by clicking on these buttons, or go to a specific date by clicking on the icon here and selecting the date. To the right, we have different indicators for the patients under your group's care. If you click on All Patients, a patient list will show up displaying all the patients currently under your group's care. Within this list, you can edit the patient, click on the patient name to bring up the encounter screen, indicate whether you see or not see the patient, or change the assigned provider for the patient. To add a patient to Primum, click on this Add Patient button. Enter the required fields highlighted in red asterisks: the date of birth, first and last names, gender, medical record number, and then admit date. Also, select your name from the assigned provider dropdown and click Save Patient to finalize. This patient now shows up on your rounding list since he's assigned to you. To enter an encounter, click on this See button. A new encounter panel will open with the information populated for this encounter. In the CPT dropdown, Primum allows for 5 possible CPT codes: I seen for initial patient visit, S seen for subsequent visit, D seen for discharge encounter, C seen for your critical care, and P seen for any procedures that you perform. Check that all information is entered, fill them in if you need to, and click Save when you're done. You can do the same for this next patient. Click See, review the information, click Save, and you're done. Please note, a patient will remain on your rounding list until a discharge date is entered. To do that, click on Edit Patient button here. Fill in the discharge date in this column and click Update Patient. That's it for the basic functions in Primum. We hope you find this video helpful and informative. Please feel free to direct any questions that you may have by emailing us at primum@symmetricrs.com.